morning, YouTube. Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Beautiful Sunday morning out here in Connecticut. Heading for my usual ride up to Panera Bread. Actually took a different route this morning to get up here. It's a beautiful day. Gonna do a little riding after I go up here. So the reason for this vlog, I want to give you guys some hints as to what might be under that sheet in my garage, that winter project of mine. Very excited. Guys, if you like my channel, if you like my videos, if you're interested in following along on my winter project, see how it goes, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when I drop videos about it. If you like the video, hit the like button. Alright, so let me get started by telling you guys what I can about the bike. Like I said, nothing was jumping out on me on Facebook, the marketplace, or Bargain News. I've been looking all over, and boom. I think I shot that one video where I said that a week or two ago, and I went home, boom, right there in my face. Guys, the starting price for the bike was $1,400. I got it for $900, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to give you I'm going to tell you some stuff, a little bit about the bike, and you know, maybe it'll give you some hints to what's under there or what's not under there. Alright, so the first thing is, I bought it in New Jersey. It needed, so when I brought it here, it had a title, but it still needed VIN verification. I went, I did that, the VIN checked out, so now I have to go get it registered. I have an appointment at the DMV on the 9th of September, so that's moving forward. I want to make sure I have plates and it's registered before I start dumping money into it. I want to give a shout out to my brother-in-law and say thank you very much for letting me use your trailer and coming with me to pick the bike up. Thank you. And guys, when you're in a bind, an old saw blade from a circular saw works great as a plate to put under your kickstand. Alright, so little hints about the bike. The problems with it: front forks need to totally be rebuilt. They're definitely leaking. The guy disclosed, I haven't checked it myself yet, but I'll do it with you guys. I'm going to show you everything I do on the bike. He said cylinder number 3 has low compression. Alright, so I can deal with that. I'll figure it out. There's a crack somewhere in one of the carburetors, so that gives you a hint, guys. It's a carbureted bike. Another issue with it, he said, if it sits for about 3 days, it's got a brand new battery in it, and the battery will drain in 3 days. So there's something pulling on the battery. We'll have to figure that out. Not an issue. So yeah, carburetor issue, compression issue, forks, electrical. The bike, I would say it's pretty clean, but when I'm done with it, I want it to be immaculate. I know the back rim, I don't know what the hell happened to that. Looks like a squirrel or a beaver chewed the metal off of it around the rim, so I might have to get a new back rim. I don't know, we'll see. I ordered the shop manual, that came in, I have that. And I will tell you this is the big one. It is not a Harley Davidson. I love my Harley, I love Harley Davidson, but this bike is not a Harley Davidson. So tune in and watch along and you will find out what it is. And I believe the reveal is going to be at 600 subscribers. I don't really think I'm going to be starting working on it till October, so I really hope by then I have my 600 subscribers. I actually hope I have them sooner, but we'll see. If not, if I don't get the subscribers by October, then I'll just reveal it. But guys, the sooner you guys hit subscribe and I hit 600, which also might mean something about this bike, I will reveal it. I'm going to try to shoot the video of the reveal as soon as I can and have it ready to go. Unless my channel pops instantly and within the week it's 600, then I'll be scrambling, but I'll get it done. Woo, I love going under the bridges. I'm going to keep you guys on here till I pass the airport. I know this has been in my other videos, but it's a beautiful morning here. I will try and turn my head and get you guys a little look down the old runway. Take it nice and easy. Oh, we got a plane taking off. Can I turn myself? Don't crash, Carl. There he goes. All right, so this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.